examiners and fellow friends. Today, I'm going to talk about some people spend too much when they spend their too much money on. And I'm going to talk about buying mobile phone. Buying mobile phone is not it's didn't really important to us because we just need our mobile phone that can help us to communicate with other people, help on work and other things. Youths always follow the trends because they want to show off on their friends, like they're buying expensive phone so they can show off to their friends. Besides that,